It is about 12:15 now. It's still raining, albeit not as heavy. I'm packed up. I have accepted that I'm probably not going to get very far today, and that's fine. But it's just like, do I wait until it's completely stopped, or do I start walking in the drizzle? Not sure what I'm going to do. Okay, rain has stopped for now. I'm seizing the opportunity. We're getting a move on. Forward! Oh, big cobweb. Forward! People, we have rain. I can confirm. We have rain. There are no hotels in this village. There are no hotels in the next town over. So I'm on my way to see if I can get access to the local baseball stadium so I can sleep there. And I kind of want somewhere with some shelter. So if I can sleep in the bleachers of the baseball stadium, I'm good. I'm happy for the day. Oh, where's my life? It's dry. There's electricity. I've had worse. I have a friend who's gonna, as soon as I open this, he's gonna jump. No!
It's a little frog, so cute. See you tomorrow, hopefully it's dry.